Hi, I'm Izzy from the Customer Success team, and I'm going to share with you 3 simple steps for using Vevox in your online classes and meetings. Step 1. Set up your chosen online meeting software and invite your participants to attend your meeting. Step 2. Start your webinar. And welcome your attendees. Share your screen to show any presentation slides as well as the vevox.app URL and ID number. Showing Vevox Present View or using the PowerPoint integration will do this for you. Step 3. Engage your audience with your awesome presentation and interact with them like they're in the room with you. A word cloud can make an excellent icebreaker. Great words, guys. Live polls can help measure opinion and test some knowledge. That's correct. Use the Q&A board to answer the most relevant questions for you to answer. Yeah, of course I'll share the slides with you and get some in-the-moment feedback. 5 stars, thanks. That's it. Disperse doesn't have to mean disconnected. For any further help or guidance, please drop us a line. We're happy to help.